नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will learn what are the methods for sterilization. Methods of sterilization. First is physical method, second is chemical method, third is filtration or mechanical method. First, physical method. It is further subdivided into first by sunlight, second by drying, third by heat, that is moist heat, and dry heat, and fourth is radiation. Sunlight. It is responsible for spontaneous sterilization in natural conditions. In tropical countries, the sunlight is more effective in killing germs due to combination of ultraviolet rays and heat. By killing bacteria suspended in water, sunlight provides natural method of disinfection of tanks and lakes. Second is drying. Moisture is essential for growth of bacteria. Drying is drying in air has dangerous effect on many bacteria. However, spores are unaffected by drying. Therefore, it is not satisfactory method of for sterilization. Heat sterilization. It has also two types. First is dry sterilization. In dry heat sterilization, dry heat is used for sterilizing different materials. Heated air or fire is used in this process. As compared to the moist heat sterilization, the temperature is higher. The temperature is maintained for almost an hour to kill the most difficult of the resistance spore. Dry heat sterilization also have four types. First by hot air oven, red hot sterilization, flaming and incineration. First is hot air oven. Hot air oven are electrical devices which use dry heat to sterilize. They were originally developed by Pasteur. Generally, they can be operated from 50 to 300 degrees Celsius using a thermostat to control the temperature. An air circulating fan helps in uniform distribution of heat. Red hot sterilization. Sterilization by holding them in Bunsen flame till they become red hot. It used for bacteriological loops, straight wire, tips of forceps and spatulas. Flaming. This is method of passing article over a flame but not heating it to redness. Uses for scalpel, mouth of test tube, flask, glass slide and cover slip. Incineration. Incineration is a waste treatment process that involves of organic substance contained in waste material. This method also burns any organism to ashes. It is used to sterilize medical or and other biohazardous waste before it is discarded with non-hazardous waste. Second method, moist heat sterilization. Moist heat method is used for heat sensitive material and materials through which steam is permeable. Culture media is also sterilized through moist heat sterilization. It has three types: below 100 degree, above 100 degree and at 100 degree, below 100 degree Celsius. It also have two types: pasteurization, which is process to reduce the bacterial population of a liquid such as milk and destroy organism that causes spoilage. Spores are not affected by pasteurization. Incipiation. Heating at 80 to 85 degrees Celsius for half an hour daily on 3 consecutive days, serum or egg media are sterilized by this method. At 100 degrees Celsius, it also has two types. Boiling. Boiling is a very simple method of water disinfection. Heating water to a high temperature, 100 degrees Celsius, kills most of the pathogenic organisms, particularly virus and bacteria, causing waterborne diseases. In order for boiling to be a most effective, the water must boil for at least 20 minutes. Tyndallization: exposure at 100 degrees Celsius for 20 to 45 minutes for 3 successive days, used for sterilization, sugar, gelatin, and serum containing media. Third is above 100 degrees, that is autoclave. Autoclaving is the most reliable method for sterilization. Autoclave uses pressurized steam to destroy microorganisms and are the most dependable system available for the decontamination of laboratory waste and the sterilization of glassware media and reagents. For efficient heat transfer, steam must flushes the air out of the autoclave chamber. Generally, the conditions employed are temperature up to 121 to 134 degree for 15 to 20 minutes under 15 lps pressure. The condition based on the type of the material used for the sterilization. Fourth is radiation sterilization. It has two types: non-ionizing, that is hot sterilization, infrared rays used for rapid mass sterilization of pre-packed items such as syringe, catheter, and UV rays used for disinfection in enclosed area such as entryways, operation theater, and labs. Ionizing or cold sterilization. First is gamma ray and X-rays used for sterilizing plastic syringe, swab, animal feed, oil, greases, fabrics, and metal foils. Advantage of radiation sterilization is clean and dry process, ensure full exposure of object from all directions. Disadvantage would be poses threat to human, lengthy process and required very qualified person. Now chemical methods for sterilization. First is gaseous sterilization and second is liquid sterilization. Principle is taken from these. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoy this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.